Good morning, everybody. Actually, technically it's afternoon, but who's actually saying, "Oh, look at all the mud on the car"? Dogsy, there's mud on the car. Are you going to do anything about it? Huh? No? And there's a crazy person stopping at not really a stop sign. I don't get some people these days. So today we had, actually since last night, we had a thunderstorm. And I don't care if she wants to or not, we're going to assess some damages in our house. So yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back here. Somehow. And we're going to assess some damages. Which shouldn't be a lot of damages because we don't really have a lot per se. Oh, look at the mushroom! That totally grew. Okay, so what's new that wasn't here last night? Well, that branch is new. That wasn't here last night. Yeah. And it's raining from the trees. And I feel bad for the new guy over there. There's a new guy behind our house. And I'm guessing he just moved there. And he's like updating or upgrading the balcony that's over there. And it's kind of hard to do that when your stuff gets wet and some other things. Like I really don't know what happens. But yeah, that branch is new. That we need to take to the streets soon. Probably whenever it gets. What? Hey, leave the mushroom alone. Probably whenever it gets, what do you call it? Dried. But it's just not too soon. I don't think. Hey, my socks just got wet. Meow. That's good. Oh, the mailman's here. Yeah, I wonder if we got anything. Well, Dogsy, you know what this means, right? You gotta skedaddle. Go somewhere else. We got to go somewhere else. Don't shake your head, no. We're going somewhere else. Yeah, see? Almost to our house. So. But yeah. It looks really, really cloudy. Disgusting. I don't like it when it rains. Okay. Let me rephrase that. I do and I don't. I do like it rains because it's really good for the plants and stuff, you know? Sometimes, depending on whose yard you're in. But it's actually really good, definitely, if you're, depending on what climate you're from. And if it's a desert climate, yeah, it's really, really good. Come on, Dogsy. So any chances of rain that you get is really, really good. For me, I think it is. Now, other people might be different, but to me, I think it is. Ooh, what's that? Come on, baby. She's watching the mailman really very, very cautiously. But hey, let the mailman do his job. You know, He got a job to do. You got a job to do. You know, everybody got jobs. Where are you going? Okay. But anyway, so yeah. So nothing too bad for the house right now. So yeah. It should be raining here soon. I just love watching the radar for some reason. Where's this guy going? Where are you going? Good. Come on, baby. Babies. Yeah, this one just woke up. I woke up at like almost 12 in the afternoon. Woke up like somewhere around 11:42. And, which is weird. I went to sleep like somewhere around 12 in the morning, and then I didn't wake up till 11. So that gave me 11 hours, right? Somewhere around there, but still. Then this one, she didn't wake up till a few minutes ago. Hey, that's Dogsy for you. Oh, look, they cut the grass there. Wonder when they're going to do our side. And, oh, I guess they did cut some over here. So, guess they just need to do the other side then. Yeah. But anyway, so I know I haven't really talked about it a lot, and this is like totally random, but oh well. So I was talking about, okay, so I was saying that, if anybody doesn't know, I'm also doing like a side job besides the 9-to-5 jobs I have and YouTube. Like I'm doing, well, I guess it's semi-raining, kind of. But anyway, I'm doing like this work at home type job, direct selling. I'm not really good at it, but hopefully I can once I go through college and stuff. Could probably boost my confidence or something like that. But anyway, so I have that, and one of the trips that they're doing is like a lot of trips lately. So the next trip that they're doing for next year is Salt Lake City, Utah, which is kind of fun. I mapped out everything and saw where we're probably heading. Granted, we might be going to several different motels for different cities. I kind of try and figure out, from all of those, where I'm going to, what do you call it, like, where's our stops and stuff, and what we could probably do for that day, for like a few minutes and stuff. So it seems really cool and stuff, and but then just because of the fear that I probably won't do it, like go to Salt Lake City, Utah. Yes, it's something that I want to do because it's a damsel business type thing, and I want to go to those conventions, but hey, look, we got purple flowers. Where are you going, little girl? Oh, got to check the storm drain, like always. But anyway, so, I was trying to figure out, like, okay, so, I already got my learner's permit money, and I'm saving. Where are you going? We're not going this way. Come on, we're gonna go back home. We're saving. I'm saving up for a driving school, and we're trying to find some nearby our location. And there's some that are questionable, and there's some that aren't really questionable. And I have no idea where that guy's going. But anyway, so we're still looking. We're still looking at prices and stuff, and we think we might find a awesome one near our location. So either way, doesn't matter what I choose, I'm still saving up $300 for it. So at this point in time, I told my mom, saying that, I'm just going to go through my savings list and we're going to save up anything I can. So one of the biggest ones is, after getting my laptop, I'm going to be saving up for my car. So one of the things is that if I save up for my car and get it before Salt Lake City, Utah trip, I just love saying it all together, I don't know why. But anyway, after saving it up, seeing it's a brand new car, for me, it will be a brand new car. It doesn't matter if I get a used one, which I probably will, because they're a lot cheaper. What would be the actual, I don't know, what do you call it? What would be the smartest thing to do? Now, the smartest things for me, definitely if you get a new car and you want to do it for travel, definitely for your business, what would actually be the smartest idea to do? To me, I think like getting the car and then going to Salt Lake City for the Damsel event. Granted, I do want to go. I think it's kind of going to be too much for me because number one, I never driven before. Anyway, I never drove before whatsoever. Yes, I have practiced on the van a couple of times. But the van is going to be a little bit different than my Equinox, so like very, very different. Where are you going, sweetie? Duxie has no idea where she's going. But anyway, so we both agreed it would be fine if we did like a staycation. Come on. And for you guys don't know what a staycation is basically you stay at your house, but you go to different places, but you don't have to think about the motel or the hotel and how much all that is. You just have fun, and then you just drive home every single now again, and you don't have to worry about anybody babysitting your pets or anything. And because of where I am, I think a staycation would actually benefit from what I want to do because of where I'm located. Where I'm located is right near Fort Worth. So like down there, you get to see Fort Worth, downtown Fort Worth. There's a lot of places in downtown. And Foxy, where are you going? Come here, baby. But anyway, so yeah, there's a lot of places in Fort Worth, a lot of historical places, and I have a book full of things that we can do and stuff, and there's some places that we can probably go, like we can probably go to Stockyards, go visit Miss Molly's hotel or something. Dogsy, get out of the street. Come on, baby. But anyway, there's a lot of places that we can probably do. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. So yeah, just a random thing. So see you guys later. Have a wonderful day, and see you guys all next time.